Yo, Wild Odyssey Hub crew, get ready to lose your minds. What's the most ferocious predator out there that hunts like a cheetah on steroids with jaws that could crush steel? Meet the Solifugid, Arizona's camel spider, a desert speed demon that doesn't play games. Tonight, we're plunging headfirst into a 10-minute night hunt through the rugged Sonoran Desert to witness this beast unleash its savage fury. Are you ready to see a takedown that'll make your jaw drop? Let's roll, squad. Let's hunt like never before. Hailing from the wild heart of America's Southwest, Solifugids, better known as camel spiders, are the undisputed terrors of the desert, tearing through the arid landscapes from Arizona's Sonoran Desert to the sun-scorched plains of Nevada and southern Utah. These aren't your average spiders, folks. They're a unique order of arachnids, the Solifugid, with a lineage stretching back 300 million years, making them living relics of a prehistoric world. Picture this, a body up to 6 inches long, legs that can extend their reach to a foot, and jaws that take up a third of their frame, looking like they were designed by a mad scientist for maximum chaos. By day, they're masters of stealth, burrowing under rocks or hiding in the shade of creosote bushes to escape the blistering 110 degrees Fahrenheit desert heat that could cook an egg in minutes. But when night falls and the temperature dips to a cool 75 degrees, these bad boys come alive, transforming into relentless hunters that stalk the sands with unmatched ferocity. Let's shadow one right here in Arizona's Sonoran Desert to see how this speed-crazed predator owns the darkness like a true desert king. The Solifugid isn't just a hunter, it's a biomechanical masterpiece built for the desert's brutal battlefield. Let's break it down. Those hairy legs? They're packed with fast-twitch muscle fibers, giving this arachnid the ability to sprint at speeds up to 10 miles per hour, faster than a human jogger over short distances and rivaling the agility of a cheetah in its own domain. Each leg ends in a hooked claw, perfect for gripping loose sand without slipping, letting it pivot and charge with laser-like focus. Now check out those jaws. Those chelicerae are a thing of nightmares, stretching a third of its body length and packing a bite force of 5 pounds per square inch, strong enough to shatter the exoskeleton of a beetle or crunch through a small lizard's bones like they're dry twigs. Unlike spiders, Solifugids don't rely on venom. Their power comes from pure mechanical might, slicing and dicing prey with surgical precision. Those pedipalps you see waving? They're sensory powerhouses, covered in tiny hair-like sensors called trichobothria that detect vibrations and air currents, allowing the Solifugid to pinpoint prey up to 20 feet away in total darkness. And the exoskeleton? It's a fortress of reinforced chitin plates, protecting its soft insides from the desert's harsh sun and opportunistic predators like roadrunners. One Solifugid can take down 20 prey items in a single night, fueled by a metabolism that burns energy like a high-performance engine. This beast is the desert's ultimate speed and power combo, built to dominate where others would falter. The Sonoran Desert night is buzzing with tension, and our Solifugid is locked and loaded. Watch it kick off the hunt. Emerging from its daytime hideout under a rock, it freezes for a split second, those pedipalps scanning the air like a radar dish. It picks up the faint vibration of a beetle 12 feet away, munching on a cactus leaf. Target acquired. This speed demon doesn't waste time. It launches forward at 10 miles per hour, legs churning like a desert locomotive, kicking up sand in a swirling cloud that obscures the moonlit path. The beetle senses danger and bolts, zigzagging in a frantic escape, but the Solifugid's pedipalps lock onto its every move, adjusting its trajectory with surgical precision. Then, crack! Those chelicerae slam shut with a sound like a gunshot, slicing through the beetle's hard exoskeleton in one devastating bite. The camera zooms in as the Solifugid's jaws work overtime, tearing the prey apart with mechanical efficiency, juices dripping into the sand. It doesn't swallow whole. It chews, grinding the beetle into a pulp, finishing the meal in under a minute. No venom, no tricks, just raw speed and jaw power in a takedown that's over before the desert can blink. That's the Solifugid savage style, a high-octane hunt where every second counts. Solifugids are tactical predators with a playbook that's as impressive as it is ruthless. They hunt a buffet of desert delicacies, crickets, beetles, scorpions, even small lizards and snakes, using a combination of speed, surprise, and sheer physical dominance. Their strategy is all about the chase. They can cover 30 feet in under 3 seconds, accelerating from 0 to 10 miles per hour in a heartbeat, outpacing prey that thinks it can outrun them. Those chelicerae are a scientific marvel. Serrated edges act like precision scissors, cutting through exoskeletons with a force that can generate 5 pounds per square inch of pressure, enough to snap a pencil in half. They don't inject venom like a scorpion. Instead, they rely on their jaws to crush and tear, sometimes even liquefying prey with digestive enzymes before sucking it up. Their pedipalps are the real game changer, packed with thousands of trichobothria, hair-like sensors that detect air pressure changes down to 0.01 pascals, letting them sense a cricket's leap from 20 feet away. Their nervous system is wired for speed, with a reaction time of 0.05 seconds, making them some of the quickest responders in the arachnid world. One solifugid can consume up to 30% of its body weight in a single night, about 2 ounces of insects, fueling a metabolism that burns calories at a rate of 0.1 watts per gram. Over a year, that's 200 prey items, positioning them as the desert's unsung pest control champions. This arachnid's a living science experiment, blending raw power with evolutionary genius. Solifugids aren't just ferocious hunters, they're the desert's unsung heroes, playing a critical role in America's Sonoran Desert ecosystem. These speed demons are nature's pest control, devouring crickets, beetles, and other insects that can number in the thousands per acre if unchecked. One solifugid can eat up to 200 insects annually, preventing overgrazing of desert plants like the saguaro cactus, which provides food and shelter for birds, bats, and rodents. That ripple effect keeps the entire food chain balanced. Less plant damage means more habitat for lizards, snakes, and even larger predators like kit foxes, which snack on solifugids themselves. But here's the harsh reality. Solifugid populations are under siege. Urban sprawl in Arizona has gobbled up 40% of their natural habitat over the last 30 years, with cities like Tucson expanding into prime desert territory. Off-road vehicles crush their burrows, and climate change brings unpredictable rain patterns that flood their hideouts. Conservationists are stepping up, creating protected zones like the Cabeza Prieta National Wildlife Refuge, where artificial rock shelters mimic their natural homes. Local ranchers are joining the fight, leaving undisturbed patches on their land to let solifugids thrive, knowing these arachnids keep crop-damaging insects at bay. Saving solifugids isn't just about preserving a predator, it's about safeguarding the desert's delicate balance and the livelihoods of those who depend on it. Let's keep these speed demons roaring across the sands for generations to come. Hold up, crew, here's a mind blower. Solifugids can run so fast they've been clocked out running a human sprinter, up to 10 miles per hour, for short bursts of 20 feet. That's next-level desert dominance. Wild Odyssey Hub Squad, it's challenge time. If you could borrow a solifugid's skills, would you take its insane speed to chase down anything in your path, or those crushing jaws to tackle any obstacle? Drop your pick in the comments below and tag a bro who'd geek out over this arachnid's wild power. Let's see who's got the guts to match this desert beast. That's the Solifugid's Ferocious night hunt, a high-octane, jaw-dropping takedown in the heart of Arizona's deserts. From speed that outruns a sprinter to jaws that crush, and a roll that keeps the ecosystem ticking, these camel spiders are straight-up legends of the sand. Let's do our part to keep their deserts thriving for the next epic adventure. Smash that subscribe button for Wild Odyssey Hub and ring the bell. Next up, we might track a Gila monster's venomous bite or a desert jerboa's insane leaps. Support desert conservation at the Arizona Sonora Desert Museum. Every dollar helps these beasts keep ruling the wild. Thanks for hunting with us, crew. Catch you under the stars for the next wild ride.